I'm in downtown Durham. Guess where I'm at? Just walking down the street right here. How about that? Look at that. Now I came down here because I know a lot of the tow truck people, they watch this channel too. I've been a fan of this channel for a long time. It's 11'8". I'll put the link in the description. And you'll notice they don't upload very much anymore. They just uploaded something not too long ago, about a week ago. And also in the description I'm going to put a link to a video that was just uploaded to Vimeo about this. So I wasn't going to bother the guy and see if I can find the guy to interview him or anything. I just wanted to come down here and show you guys what it looks like. So you come down the street, you'll see on the dash cam, you come all the way down the street and there's plenty of signs coming down to here. And so then when you turn this way, you can see up above where the traffic light is, it says over height must turn. This cross street, you can turn left or right. This is not a one-way street. The street coming down toward the bridge is a one-way street. So you have the opportunity to turn left or right. It's not like it's a one-way street and you can only go one way. So when the trucks come up to this area, they have a choice. As you approach here, there's a huge steel beam, like an I-beam, that actually protects the bridge. The bridge is a railroad track, which is also pretty awesome. I mean, it's a lot of steel under there. But not sure how the camera is going to pick this up. If I go straight here, I cannot climb up here. It's muddy right now. We're going to look straight down this beam. This beam is bent. It's been hit so many times, but it's been hit pretty darn hard by quite a bit of things. Here comes a city bus. That was pretty close. It had like an extra little thing on the back of the bus. It was pretty close. So this is a different camera now. I'm going to lift this up so you can see. I don't know if I can hold it still enough, but you can see that the bar is bent. But I got this camera out because this is a regular video camera. The other one was a GoPro. And on this building right here, you can see the camera right up here. There's the one angle right here on this building at this corner. I can't see the one going the other way. Sweet! While I'm standing here, I don't know what that is, but a rocket just went by. That's pretty funny. This is what it looks like from the other side. That'd be so awesome if I'm standing right here right now and something hit it. Oh, it'd be so sweet. And when you come out the other side, this is what you see on the other side, which you can't see on the security cameras. But it would be kind of cool. I mean, the guy has them on those buildings, but it would be awesome to have some other camera on this angle to see that. But you really can't. There's one building that's way over there, which actually says it's a parking deck. How about that? There's a parking deck there. That's like pretty new. And then there's like this little building right here. So here comes a bus. Ooh. They knew they would fit. This is called Brightleaf Square. It's like a shopping area and a nightlife type area. And then there's some more shopping over here on this side, right here, and what looks like a pizza place at the end over there. If you ever did want to come down here and visit, you can park over there on that side facing this way. You cannot park on this side of the street. I went down there and turned around. You could park down there where you see that other car. You can come over this way. You can turn left right here and park. That's our Celica over there. And you can park all along right here on the other side of the street. This parking right here, look at that. How come Morgan Imports over here doesn't have a tow truck channel? Huh? So there's a lot of one-way streets down here. So it gets a little confusing. I don't know why only in downtown areas do they do one-way streets. Anybody know why they do that? Why not just build a city normal and just call it downtown? So anyway, over here now. You come down, this is where all the trucks usually come from. And you'll see in the video that I put the link to down at the bottom, this light now turns red when it detects something. It gives them a chance to turn. So if anybody hits this now, they're technically, I think, running the red light. That's how it seemed like the dude explains it. So watch the video that's in the link in the description and tell me what you guys think. All right, I'm on Gregson Street, just past Gloria. This is Lamond. This is the first sign, says 11'8", 1,000 feet ahead. This is Morgan Street. There's a sign up top on the wire. Trucks over 11'8", turn right. That's hard to see. Way back here, 11'8" and 350 feet. Another sign, 11'8", turn to the right. This is Peabody. And here you go. This is just crossing Morgan Street. The speed limit is 25. And here's a sign up ahead, up above, says trucks over 11'8", turn right. So if you follow the sign, you turn right and you're a truck. You then come this way up ahead, look, truck detour. So then after coming down this street, there's another sign, truck detour to the left. This is now Chapel Hill Street. The street I'm on is Buchanan Boulevard. That brings you back here to this freeway, which I'm taking. I'm not even sure which way I'm facing. Thanks for watching this. I hope it was something small and enjoyable.